cut it out, hey? So we gonna be careful too because it's snake in the ground. What? Hardly anything on. Oh my goodness. This is like not even snow. You guys, my eyes hurt. It is snow. And it's not even piercing through it. Like, you can't even see my footprint. Look at this. Like, this is ice. If you're not careful, you will fall. This is crazy. Oh my god. Okay, now it's getting a little crazy. Oh my god.
How you gonna do?
And it says in Genesis 8:22, as long as the earth endures, seed time and harvest, cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night will never cease.
Okay, now we gotta take our time. Put the phone up.